Hi, hello friends, very good evening. This is Nagarajan from the Market Decoder channel. Welcome to the pre-market report. So here we are looking at the Nifty's daily chart. So Nifty has closed exactly at 17,200 levels. Let's have a look on the price action, then we'll see what is going to be the support and resistance for tomorrow. And we'll see the intraday stocks as well. So first of all, Nifty has closed at 17,200, and looking at the Fibonacci levels, it has respected the 0.5 ratio of Fibonacci, and it has been struggling between the 17,000 and 17,400 levels. So either side breakage will give you a clear direction, which is above 17,400 weekly closure we can expect some bounce, and below 16,890 weekly closure we will be seeing the next levels. So this is the weekly view, a long-term view. And for intraday, we will go to the 1 hour chart and we'll see what is going to be the today's levels. So today's support and resistance is going to be 17,000 will definitely act as a psychological support and as well as a good support here, that is where the swing gap is there, and if that is gap can be filled, and again there can be a bounce. So that is one good support. And looking at the resistance, so here we have a very good resistance. If the market is moving upside, we have a good resistance around 17,315, and beyond that we have a 17,414 will be the resistance, and that is where this good swing gap will be filled. So if that is if the gap is filled, we can expect some more fall again. If that level is broken, if it is broken and if it is cleared that level, then we can expect some sort of upside. Let's have a close look on the hourly chart. So I just connected the highs, this high, this lower high, this lower high, and all lower highs has been connected, and what we can observe is the clear short resistance has been taken out. So what we can expect is once it went up and again it failed and it came back to the same level, which double bottom is here, and if it is this level is taken out, which will be acting as a neckline, and this level which is 17,400, if that is also taken out, then we'll be seeing 17,600 plus levels. So that is how we can take this trend line. So descending trend line is definitely it is going to be a bearish trend, but still when the trend line is broken, the descending trend line is broken, it becomes bullish. So this is how we have to trade, and definitely after going up there will be a retest and then it has to bounce. That is where it will give a good confirmation so that we can look for some upside levels, and the levels are going to be, these are going to be the levels 17,315, 17,414. Beyond that we have 17,539 and 17,658. These are going to be the upcoming levels. Open interest chart. So 17,000 has climbed as a huge support. The P today it has been like a lot of open interest has been opened here at 17,000 levels, and 17,000 call option is having a very minimal, almost like thrice we have the put option open interest. So definitely 17,000 is going to act as a good resistance. If there is a flat opening, definitely the 17,000 levels will definitely work as a good support in the bottom. And looking at the 17,200 levels where a good fight is seen between the buyers and sellers, the put option and call option. So if this is broken, then we have a good resistance at 17,300 levels. We have 1.2 lakhs and against it just 28,000, which is almost like 5x times the greater resistance at 17,300. And leaving that, if you move on to 17,400, we have almost like 98.5k resistance against just 19k support. So here also it is a 5x times resistance is there. So Nifty can travel below between the 17,200 and 300. Only if this is taken out, then we'll go to the 17,400. That is what we can understand, and this expiry will be between 17,000 and 17,400. That is what is the overall picture on open interest. Let's go to the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also is struggling between the same levels, almost like between 1,000 points. After a good fall, it respected the 0.5 of Fibonacci, and again what is happening is due to this today's good gap up opening, but still it didn't give a clear breakout because of the huge open interest at around 36,500 levels. So looking at the support and resistance for Today will be like, so we'll go to the 1 hour chart where I have marked the resistance and support. So here is what we can say, like it is having a very good support at this level, which is 36,032, and the above resistance is going to be 36,898, for which Bank Nifty has to cross this level, which is 36,555. That is where we'll be seeing 36,890 level or 36,900 levels. So the levels for today is going to be definitely this 400 points upside, and the 400 points downside will be the definite support and resistance for Bank Nifty. And same structure is seen in the Bank Nifty as well. If you have a close look, if you just mark the highs and lows, so this is what we are seeing, and I have just marked the highs, and right now it is in the level where it can give a breakout. If it is giving a breakout, and if it is going like this and coming again, that is where we can say like it is going to be a retest, and again it can go up. So this is how the travel has to be. If this is going to be this is the imaginary line, if it comes true, then only we can expect some good bounce in the Bank Nifty, else we'll remain sideways to bearish. This is the view on price action view on Bank Nifty. We'll go to the open interest. Let's have a look on the Bank Nifty's open interest and see how the price action will react. So till 2 p.m. we had a huge open interest at 36,000 call option, whereas during the end of the day 36,000 put option has become a strong support. So we cannot say like strong support. If there is a good gap up, and if these levels are safeguarded with the huge open interest, we can expect this 36,500 will be a good support. Whereas if you see here 37,000, there has been a huge open interest drop from the PE, which means like yesterday it was a huge resistance, and right now the resistance has started slowly to move towards the upper side. So 37, there is a chance of hitting these levels, 36,700 and 36,800 levels, if we clear 36,500, and the levels will be between 36,500 to 37,000 will be the level for this week's expiry. So coming to the intraday stocks, BEML has been almost like falling like a hell for almost like a week. Now what we can expect is we can expect a small bounce. BEML has given both opportunities buy and sell in the same time, because if you look at the hourly chart, it is giving a double bottom. So if you look at the price action, definitely what can happen is it will definitely go to this level, which will offer one more shorting opportunity, which is around the short level is going to be 7,718, and if there is a reversal, only if there is a reversal, you can definitely take a short, keeping the 1,741 in 15 minutes closure as a good stop loss, and we can expect a good sort of target towards this level. First target will be this level, and if that is also taken out, we can expect Bank Nifty, we can expect the BEML to come towards 1,661, and this is going to be a very good buy level for BEML tomorrow. So 1,600 levels, 1,660 will be the buying zone, and stop loss is going to be just 11 points, and it will definitely give you 1:2 or 1:3 ratio returns for tomorrow. For that we need a good reversal signals, and then definitely it will give you a good sort of returns with just 11 points stop loss and at least minimum 22 to 33 points of target, which is 1:3 ratio of risk reward will be given in this stock. So that is all about first intraday stock, and one more stock I have chosen, which is going to be Tata Communications. If you look at Tata Communications, it is also giving a good sort of price action. There is a huge fall and followed by a double bottom in daily. So that is where I picked the stock for intraday. And if you go ahead and look at the 1 hour time frame, there also we have a double bottom and we have a good bullish harami signal. So tomorrow we will have to buy this stock if we are having a good opportunity. So we can buy the stock at the current market price, which is around 1,106 to 1,105 we can buy, and stop loss is going to be this candle's low, which is 1,094, and and the target is going to be, first target is 1020, 120, and 1140 will be the second target. This becomes target 1 and this becomes the target 2, which is 1040. So with just 8-9 points of somewhere around, if you're taking an entry at 1105, it is going to be 9 points of stop loss, and 14 points will be the first target, and 30 plus points will be the second target. So that is all for today's pre-market report. Let's have a look on the upcoming levels on tomorrow. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe this channel and support. Thanks again. Take care. Bye bye.